How to fix TikTok shop not showing. So if you want to fix your TikTok shop not showing problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your TikTok application at first. After opening your TikTok, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from here you will have creator tools. So you just need to simply go with the creator tools, or you can also go with TikTok Studio, which will have tools option. So under your tools you will have this kind of interface, or under your creator tools you may have an option of TikTok shop for creator. So you can go back if you don't find that option on your TikTok Studio. You just need to simply go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, if you scroll down, then you may find TikTok shop for creators. If you don't find that option here also, then you just need to simply go with your settings and privacy again and tap on report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem, you can scroll down, or you can also go with submit tickets or support tickets in order to send feedback, or you can go with chat with us. And here you need to select or just simply go with a question, which is TikTok, and it will give you some solution. So in my case, TikTok shop isn't available in my region at the moment, so I don't have that option. But if it's available in your region, then it will give you some guide on how you can fix TikTok shop in your country. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.